Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I'll try to talk about the battery life of the Poco F3 device, which is also called as the Redmi K40 device as well. So right now I'm using this phone for the past 2 to 3 days of usage, and I started to test the battery life of this phone, how much the screen on time I'm getting and all those details. I'll try to explain in this complete video, friends, what type of settings I am using and what are the tests I have done before as well. So make sure to subscribe and follow me regularly in case if you want to know more details about this phone as well. So there's a special playlist which I created only for the Poco F3 users, so make sure to check that playlist and you can find amazing videos on this particular smartphone. So let's get started, friends. First thing is that I started to use the 120Hz display refresh rate throughout this time, and I did multiple videos on this phone, and yesterday I was using continuously the phone as well during this time, and 120Hz display refresh rate, and the brightness is also set to the 70% brightness throughout the time. I did install so many games and so many gaming reviews as well I did on this phone particularly. So let me show you the total screen on time, how much I got here. So the total screen on time, as you can see, friends, it's about close to 3 hours and 28 minutes. So that's only starting from the, I think, 90%. You're not getting the top or 10% values, as you can see here. So overall, if you include the screen on times for the 2 days, I can show you the real time screen on time, as you can see. So 1 hour 31 minutes and this 2 hours 48 minutes. So overall, I'm getting about, I think, close to 4 to 5 hours. 5 hours of screen on time is kind of possible in this phone if you're using the 120Hz display refresh rate. So right now the battery is dropped to the 2%, as you can clearly see here, friends. So overall, the battery backup is not so great because of the less battery capacity, 4520 mAh of capacity. So definitely you will be experiencing a lot of battery problem in this phone. So unless if you use the 60Hz display and if you maintain the very less brightness, maybe it's possible. But throughout the time I'm using this live wallpaper in the background as well. So that's another thing for you to notice. And during this time I did install multiple games and I'm downloading the multiple games as well. So during this time it was kind of close to heavy usage. So these are things with the heavy usage, friends. And in case if you want to know more details about the smartphone, so make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more details. So definitely I'll be doing a lot of reviews on this phone in the future. So thank you for watching this video, friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, bye.